What's up, everyone? It's Ryan Nelson, and you are watching Kern Living. On today's episode, we have our friend and family member from Omni Family Health. Deanna, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
And today we're talking about colon cancer. What should we know about this?
Well, this is a time when we start to highlight the importance of screening for colon cancer. And colorectal cancer is the second deadliest cancer in the U.S. So this type of cancer lives in the colon or the large intestines and in the rectum. And it's a disease where cancer-causing cells start to grow out of control. And abnormal growths called polyps can form in the colon, and with time, some polyps can turn into cancer.
Oh, wow. Wow, so how does someone test for this type of cancer?
Yeah, there are a couple different options for screening for colorectal cancer, and screening means we're looking for cancer before there are any symptoms. Two great options are the colonoscopy and the Cologuard test. The colonoscopy is what most people think about when they think of colon cancer screening, and this is a procedure that's done under sedation by a specialist to look inside the colon, and they can see abnormal cells and polyps, and they can be identified and removed right then and there by your doctor. The Cologuard is the second test that I really recommend for most people, and it's a test that's ordered by us, your primary care provider, and just a regular checkup. The Cologuard test is so great because it's done in the comfort of your own home. There's no sedation, no prep. Basically, we order the test for you. A kit arrives in the mail at your house. You leave a stool sample, and it goes back to the lab. So the Cologuard is non-invasive, it is highly accurate, and it's covered by the insurance.
Wow, new technology. I've never heard of anything like this. What age should a person start getting tested for this?
Well, the incidence of colon cancer has kind of gone up in younger adults, so the screening age changed from 50 to 45. So anybody aged 45 and up should be screened for colon cancer.
So is this type of cancer preventable at all?
Yes, about 90% of colon cancers are thought to be preventable. 90% is a huge number. So this type of cancer, the colon cancer cells and polyps, they're actually very slow growing for most people, so they can be identified and removed by a doctor before those polyps even have a chance to turn into cancer.
Okay, and for our viewers at home that want to get tested or screened, how can they do that?
Yeah, well, come see us at one of our clinics. You know, pop on in. Our front office staff, they're super friendly and helpful. They'd love to help people make an appointment. You can follow us online on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, or just give us a call and we'll help you book an appointment.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for all of that information. And make sure you stay connected with us on all social media platforms. Our Facebook and our Instagram is at Kern Living, and you can follow myself at Ryan Nelson 23. I have some genuine questions about this that I need to ask you once we finish. So I will see you all next time, same place.